Hello guys, on this video I will show you how to get some instrument from for example, from my Orient and Ethnic SoundFont bank. We make the choice on the few instrument and we make the presets, and later we will put on the bank memory just to use it from the quickly way, just in the when we make it, we'll put here and we use it. And when I make the choice on the 4-5 instrument, just for example, later we play some melody. Okay, let's going to select some instrument to find it which one will like it. I will get it from here from my SoundFont. I will going on my RM folder. There I have some good instrument. Will be fine at something now, and I will show you how to add on the bank memory and how we make the preset, because that is the very good tools if you're working on the live playing. That is the very comfortable to use it very quickly, because when working on the live playing, that is the very important to operation and all style and voice to be ready to use it very quickly. All right. Right, let's to find it something. Okay, I like it, this one. This is the Arab tambour moss. Let's just to add some effect here. I put some reverb here as well. Let's to check, and just a little bit delay. It's like that. If you put some chorus, just a little bit. Right, I like it like that. I like this instrument. And later we're going here and save, and there I need to put the name on the preset. That is the Arabian tambour. So here I have the choice what I want to save, like to save direct on the style, the split, short. I just ignored the style. No, that's fine. Okay, right, and now let's to go in here. Arabian tambour is down, and from here I wanna put on the maybe on the third one. Just from here drag to the position on the third one, and our tambour or Arabian tambour is ready to use. Just press. Right, let's to find another one. Which one? That's not so bad as well. Let's just to set the parameters. I don't need horse here. Maybe one octave up. No. Let's to find another one. Arabian violin. Let's to find it, this one as well. It's not so bad. Arabian violin. just number 2 will be safe again. It's coming here, right, and later just will be dragged on the position, will be put on the number 4. So I have the Arabian tambour here on the number 3. I have the Arabian violin on the number 4, right? Let's to get more. Arabian zurna. Let's to find it Arabian zurna as well. Arabian, no, sorry. Yes. Arabian zurna. Zurna. Right, we save it. Arabian zurna is here. Will be put on the number 5. Here. Let's to find more. Tuduk. Oh, it's Arabian flute, I like it. Just let's to put more effect here. Alright, we take off the chorus. Alright, let's to save. Arabian flute. It's very good. Arabian flute. Okay. Arabian flute is coming here now, and just from here we drag to number 2. So on the moment I have flute, tambour, Arabian violin and zurna. That is on the number 4, 3, 4, 2, 4, 3 and 5. Just this will be clear. It's empty here. Will be fine to something. Which one to be? Oh, Armenian. I like it, this one. We save Armenian flute. Armenian flute. Okay, we'll be going on the number 1. And let's to find the clarinet, Arabian accordion, Arabian clarinet. I will find it in this one as well. Arabian clarinet. Right, and I think Arabian clarinet is coming here on the presets. I will put on the number 6. So I have the flute, Arabian flute, no, Armenian flute is here, Arabian flute, Arabian tambour, Arabian violin, zurna and clarinet. So all this instrument I am just in the make the preset and send it on the bank memory just for the quickly. So I will show you how is the working very quickly. Right, so I am safe on the my MIDI keyboard. I have the pad and just in the I will show you now when I press it here. The second one, I'm just in the press it from the pad. If you have the MIDI keyboard, will be possible to add just in the quickly button from here and just in the working very quickly now. This is from the Wife music. Is very very good. When you save this one, will be available to put on the bank memory the 16 instruments from the quickly working. Is very very fast, just in the from the one touch on the bottom and coming there. All right. Right, so now I'm just in the save the 5-6 instrument. Let's to find the sum style. Let's to move here. We're going on the we get the sum. Let's to find the sum one day. I have the here I have the sum one day. Let's to try this one. That's not so bad. Just now on the percussion, you see the percussion is not Arabian instrument. So I will going here on the percussion. We're going on the style editor. I like it this style. And here, let's to find where is the percussion here. This one. So this one need to I wanna put on this track the some Arabian percussion. So I have folder with Arabian percussion. I will be put the some book or something. Right, so how is doing? Again, my folder, the Oriental, is available to use it on the style as well. So I will show you. We're going on the instruments. Here I need to open the SoundFont. The SoundFont, I need to find my folder with the percussion is there. I have excuse me. Let's open first. Come on. Right, this is the percussion. I have the two banks 0. I have here, so the drums, I think on the bank C. Let's to put there. Let's to try the Emre Derbuka. This one just drag up to here. Let's turn the full sound. We'll put some effect here. Let's to try this one again. Next one. That's not good. I think the MRF, the book of this one is looking good. Or first one. I think this one is good. Let's go on the C. Oh, this is good. No. That's not good. That's not so bad. I'm just in to show you how to do. You are make it yourself. On the main D, what is this one? That's so bigger. Okay, we'll leave like that. It's on the main A, main A. On the main A, main A, let's to put the, should be the folder book. Emerald bongo, nothing, it's on different places. Let's try maximum. It's no good. Okay, we're leaving the embroider book. Alright, when I'm ready, just in there need to save. We save, we're trying to save, it's not again from Giglad segment. So I think that this style I'm safe now, and let's to going on the arranger and one there to let's to save again like the different one there test darbuka. Yeah, let's to try. So on this one there is variation A and variation B is good. Another one need to doing. Let's just to put quickly here. So where's the tempo is coming? Oh yeah, because the here we are saved the tempo as well. Yeah, we'll have on the tempo as well. Just need to ignore the tempo from here because I'm safe on the tempo 120, but that's one day we are not need this tempo. We need tempo should be this one. Yeah. Right, I think that's enough. On the moment I will make some another video with the playing with the melody. It's so important. I will show you how to make the preset on the instruments, how to save and how to put on the bank memory, and also how to add some instrument to change on the style editor from here. When you're going on the style, see the here have the style, going on the instrument again need to find it the SoundFont, because we can use it the dynamic audio, that is the sampler with the including. You have the from here to use it the some VST instrument if you have, but I will use it the SoundFont, and that is the my SoundFont bank from the Oriental, Arabic, ethnic, and another one.